Lecture, ARIS Implementation Guide for Compliance Officers. First, purpose and scope of ARIS. Second, central purpose. ARIS serves as a centralized registry for arbitration cases, bridging the gap between claimants and investors. Third, mock scenario. Imagine Jane's Organic Juices, a small business owner, facing a legal battle against Mega Beverage Corp. Unable to afford the legal fees, Jane turns to ARIS. Through ARIS, multiple investors see the merit in her case and decide to fund it, allowing her to pursue justice. Fourth, partnerships. Highlight ARIS's collaboration with entities like AAA, CRIS, DTC, DTCC, and Euroclear. Fifth, mock scenario. Consider a situation where a partnership between ARIS and AAA expedited the resolution of over 100 cases in a month, benefiting both claimants and investors. Sixth, legal and regulatory compliance. Seventh, laws and regulations. Different jurisdictions have varied laws governing arbitration. ARIS's compliance is paramount. Eighth, mock scenario. Global Trade Incorporated overlooked certain European arbitration regulations. They faced penalties amounting to millions, highlighting the importance of thorough jurisdictional compliance. Ninth, system architecture and design. 10th, user interface. A user-friendly interface is crucial for user engagement. 11th, mock scenario. Think of TradeEase, a platform similar to Airbnb. While TradeEase had superior features, its complex interface led to a significant user drop-off, emphasizing the importance of intuitive design. 12th, arbitration case registration. 13th, interface design. Seamless registration ensures users can easily input and verify their case details. 14th, mock scenario. Alex, a lawyer, tries registering a case on ARIS. The process, taking just 3 steps, allows him to register multiple cases efficiently, saving him hours of work. The 15th, investment opportunities. 16th, investor platform. ARIS's unique landscape offers high returns on successful arbitration cases. 17th, mock scenario. Investor Liam invests in a case against a tech giant through ARIS. The case wins, and Liam sees a 150% return on his investment in just a year. 18th, investment agreements. 19th, drafting and review. These agreements are legally binding, ensuring protection for all parties. 20th, mock scenario. Sarah, an investor, and Raj, a claimant, enter an agreement through ARIS. When a dispute arises, the clear terms in their agreement allow for a swift resolution without additional legal battles. 21st, funding and case management. 22nd, funding mechanism. Transparency in this process ensures appropriate fund usage. 23rd, mock scenario. Green tech innovations requires funding for an arbitration case. Through ARIS, they transparently showcase how funds will be used, attracting multiple investors. 24th, returns and distribution. 25th, distribution mechanism. Transparency in returns distribution is vital for trust. 26th, mock scenario. Post a successful case, ARIS ensures that investor Mike receives his returns. The transparent process details the exact calculation, ensuring Mike feels secure about his investment. 27th, dispute resolution. 28th, resolution mechanism. Efficient handling of disputes is crucial. 29th, mock scenario. 2 investors dispute the return percentage from a case. ARIS's clear resolution mechanism ensures a mediator resolves their issue within a week. 30th, system maintenance and support. 31st, ongoing maintenance. Regular updates ensure ARIS's compliance and user-friendliness. 32nd, mock scenario. Drawing parallels with how macOS's regular updates keep the system secure and efficient, ARIS's periodic updates ensure it remains at the forefront of arbitration investment platforms. 33rd, marketing and outreach. 34th, promotion strategy. effective marketing can boost ARIS's user base. 35th. Mock scenario. Drawing inspiration from Kickstarter's campaign for a revolutionary tech product, ARIS launches a campaign showcasing success stories, leading to a 50% increase in registrations. 36. Monitoring and reporting. 37th. Performance tracking. Tracking ARIS's performance ensures it meets objectives and offers value. 38. Mock scenario. Quarterly reports show a 70% success rate in funded cases, providing investors with confidence and attracting more claimants to the platform.